Good morning, dear children. Today we will start first unit in maths, that is building with bricks. Okay, brick patrons for Jagrati School. This is the true story of Jagrati School in Murshidabad, West Bengal. Okay, this is a true story of Jagrati School. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make brick patterns on the floor and walls. When the building was made, they wanted to make patterns with bricks on the floors as well as on the walls, like how in olden days patterns were made. Jamal, Kalu and PR were the masons for the brickwork. These three people were the workers. Okay, masons are the laborers who do the brickwork. Okay, who make the building and who plan the patterns and all. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building. So they took their other friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. Okay, they went to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan to get some idea, to get some inspiration. See photos? This is the building of Murshid Quli Khan. Tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. This building has a big floor with about 2000 beautiful brick patterns. So how many brick patterns are there here? Around 2000 brick patterns. In 2000 different ways the bricks are arranged on the floors, on the walls. These were made by masons long back, about 300 years ago. So when did they make all this? 300 years ago. Look how the bricks are arranged in these 5 floor patterns. See, here are the floor patterns which are shown here in detail. Figure 1. See how the bricks are arranged like this, and also how nicely they have arranged vertically, horizontally. See, here also you can see how the bricks are arranged here and here in a straight manner, here standing and sleeping position. Then see in this third figure, again here bricks are arranged here in a box shape, and inside some bricks are arranged this way and other bricks are arranged this way. Here you can see X shape as well as plus shape. Here you can see arch shape, one more arch, how beautifully the bricks are filled in a pattern. Okay. Which floor pattern do you like the most? Out of this 5, which you like the most, you write the number here. I like pattern 3. It's something very unique. Like I can write third pattern. Like that you can write your own choice. Have you seen such patterns anywhere? Think. Some of these patterns we have seen and some are very unique. The masons came back excited. They are very excited. They are very happy to see the patterns that are made in Murshid Quli Khan's tomb. Jamal said, in those days they had made so many interesting brick patterns. We had forgotten these. Let us make some nice designs on the floor of this school. So they also wanted to make some beautiful patterns in this Jagrati school. Each mason made a different brick pattern. The school is proud to have such a beautiful building. Children play and sing on it and also make new patterns themselves. So See, this is the floor of Jagrati school. How beautifully they have made different brick patterns. They have divided it into different groups and they have made beautiful patterns. And the children enjoy this place. They will sit and they will enjoy. Sometimes they also try to make some new patterns. Actually, the children are sitting on this floor pattern only. See? Here they are showing enlarged one. Like we have now in our school where you stand for the prayer and all, like that. See, these are the patterns from Jagrati school. Okay. See, X shape is there. Then you have this diamond shape. Then you have some M kind of shape or zigzag. Then horizontal and vertical. Then it's moving like a sun rays. Then again X and plus is there. And see here, two sleeping, one standing, two sleeping, one standing. Here also they have given beautiful designs. This is in circular shape. Again this is, and the bricks also sometimes they are using the regular bricks and sometimes thin bricks also they are using. See, to fill the gap they are using smaller bricks. Bricks also come in different designs and different varieties. Now you have to see all these patterns very carefully and find the answer for the given questions. Which pattern is made in a circle? So go through all these patterns once again, and what is the answer here? Yes, pattern J is made in circles. So you have to write here pattern J. In which pattern can you show mirror halves? Draw a line. Okay. We have to check one by one. Mirror half, you know, when we put a line here, both should look the same. So we have to put line and check. Yes, when we put a line, both will look same. You can put a tick here. Okay, again you put a line here. See if both are looking same, put a tick here. You have to do this on your own because this is to check your observation. You observe carefully and put line for each figure. If it is symmetrical, if it is looking same in both the sides, you put a tick. Okay, if it is not symmetrical, then you put a cross down for all these patterns. Now you draw some new floor patterns. Now what you have to do? You have to draw some new floor patterns. New floor patterns you have seen in your house, in your kitchens, in your hall, in many offices, hospitals, banks. Even our school also has some beautiful floor pattern, isn't it?